You're born with a beautiful smile, but you need to keep it clean. If you don't, the teeth can start to decay, and if it's not reversible, you'll need a filling. And often these fillings, if you keep it the same, they get bigger, then the tooth breaks. Then the nerve can get involved, even if you've had a crown, and afterwards you'll need a root filling. But after that you might need another crown, and certainly the tooth's more brittle and the crown can break off, and so then you're going to need a pin and then a crown on top of that again, and the price just keeps going up. Then that will fail, unfortunately. There'll be a difficult extraction, end up with nothing at all, but you may go for an implant. The cost goes up all the time. You are responsible for your own health, and your oral health is directly linked to your general health. This dental app will help you look after your teeth and also give you instructions on how to look after the rest of your family. Download it now from the App Store or Google Play.